Hi everybody, this is Nora and I am excited to be bringing you a Halloween stamping plate haul and review from Beauty Big Bang. That's right, so I have 5 small stamping plates here and then 4 of the rectangular ones. And on this video, so this is just an overall view of everything, but on this video I am going to focus and do swatches on the 5 small stamping plates, and I'll have a design, at least one design with using 2 of the plates from here. So yes, check them out guys. And these are, look, they continue to add the labels on the little sleeves. So I'm glad this is 1 through 5, 001 through 5, and I have them out of order. So let me go and show you here. This is 00, it's BBB for Beauty Big Bang. 001, and yes, this is one that I've already used, but they do come with a protective blue film. Check it out, pretty cool. And let's see, this one has, oh, there's like, yeah, ghosts and pumpkins and some eyeballs, spider webs. Then we have 002. This one I have not used, so it still has the protective film on it, and I will remove it just prior to doing the swatches on this one. These are super cute, and these are nice because you don't have, the images are not like super large. Yeah, you have some large ones here like this castle or the house there with the web, but yes, you can break these down. They're not like the extra large images. And then 003, here's some, so part of them are kind of like buffet style. You can break them up here. No wasted space there. I like the candy. Oh, sorry if I don't look up, I don't see that. All I'm showing you is just a glare. Okay, so this is, there's some candy right there and some scarecrows. Pretty cool in that one too. 004. See what we have. Let's get this out of here. There you go. So yeah, another one. So this is kind of a buffet style type of stamping plate. And then last but not least, number 5 is the other one that I used. Check it out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do swatches on these, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here are all the swatches from these stamping plates, the small ones. I really like how they seem like they used a lot of, they put out a lot of thought into taking most of the space for the, I mean, there's no wasted space on these. I really like that because, and then you can use these, I mean, some of them you can have a full coverage of the nail with an image, or you can pick some individual images, like see this bird over here. And then some of these, see what I mean? I mean, you can do full coverage of the nails, or you can do individual images, even with the spiders and some of these ghosts right here, and the one that I saw of the scarecrow. So if you guys are interested in these, I will have the links down in the description bar below. Remember that you may save 10% by using my code NAQ57. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these plates to play with and review. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.